See you later, which is not my fault. Thank you. You ready to paddle like shit on? Oh dear. Woo! Go! Go, 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 lady, go! Oh my god, these paddles aren't very good. Yeah, we're away, boys! 2 times as choppy inside the cave. I say keep going, Don, till we're past this end of this rock, and then we can chill for a bit. Huh? Who feels sick? Emma feels sick after lunch already. We're down at Benagil Beach, out in the kayak, off round to see some caves and a few secret beaches. A little bit choppy out here today. And yeah, then we're going to see the famous Benagil Sea Cave with the big hole in the roof. Should be good. This is the first cave, is it? Yeah. I hope these people don't chuck anything off the cliff. What do you reckon? Wow. Bloody hell, we got a boat, boo! Anything to say to the camera lady? Having a nice paddle. Oh my god, here comes another speedboat ready to rock us. God, shout for a nice relaxing paddle. Getting thrown all over the place. Looks like a nice beach, eh? At least these waves look a bit calmer than when we launched. Chuck up some deuces, lady. Turn around and give a little camera a smile. Pussycat. That's not very nice, is it? Yeah, I'm the donkey paddling at the back whilst they're having a nice relaxing sunbathing session. As per usual. That boat could not land inside that cave in there. What do you reckon? Loves it. In he goes. They must have like a spotter at the front to make sure there's no swimming and nothing like that. Or it just gets there and then reverses out. We're going into the Benagil Sea Cave on the way back. That looks sick. Oh, someone's doing yoga in there. Bloody hell, see that? Only accessible by paddleboard or canoe. It's cool, isn't it? Got so much sun cream in my eyes are actually burning. Maybe my eyes are actually burning from the sun. I should have actually put sun cream directly onto my eyeballs and that would have stopped them burning like this. Yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to power through, overtake these lot on the inside lane. Or do you want to go a bit more through the middle? Okay. Yeah? Huh? We were just gently. We were just getting ahead. It's the waves. It's not me. Oh, banana boat's going full steam ahead. Chatler, what's it? So, we're going in front of these. Yeah, we're going in front of it. Watch out, watch out. God, it's sick. We got to aim for our man, Emma. No, we're okay here for a minute. We're okay. You ready? Yep. Okay, okay. Woo-hoo-hoo, look at this, Emma. Holy balls. Keep going, paddling forwards. Go. Keep paddling. Yes. Oh. Made it inside the Benagil Cave. Bit hairy getting in, quite a lot of kayaking traffic, but made it just. A little bit choppy. Bit of a tourist trap, but you can't not come here. Only a matter of time before this part of the cave goes as well. There'll be another hole. She's loving it. Don't know if you can see it. Standing right on the edge, what a nutter. So for all the years, all the waves and stuff coming in here, and shooting up into there, it's eventually collapsed and fallen through and made this massive like freeway cave, which is pretty sick. And now we just got to get out safely in the kayak through all these choppy waves Everyone's getting tipped and thrown out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Paddle. At least we're not on a paddleboard. Now for the fun part. Oh. Yeah, we got to go when we get released. Then we got to paddle like mad. Oh, big one, big one, big one. Go, 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 go! Turn your paddle around, then you paddle backwards. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! We made it. Oh, I left my bag on there. Oh, we made it. Cool. That was hairy through there, isn't it? Flaming dingoes. And that concludes the Benagil Sea Caves. What do you reckon, Don, out of 10? Pretty good, yeah, it was pretty good to be fair. Almost home and dry, don't want to get capsized now. Alright, I don't mind waiting for everyone else to go first. Go, go, go. Yeah, yeah, go, go, get some, get some, get some. Oh, quick. Thank you.